I was using like 21 grams. It just turned into like the most normal thing, like brushing your teeth. I'd sniff a line of cat. It was like that.
Hi everyone, my name is Tallulah and I'm a recovering ketamine addict.
It totally ruins the inside of your bladder lining. There was nothing that even touches ketamine bladder pain for me.
I'm peeing literally every 60 seconds of the day. Just constantly while we're filming now, it's just like flowing out of me, like, so yeah. It's like the guaranteed effect of it's gonna batter your bladder. I want a better living of life, better sleep, you know what I mean? I can be able to walk properly and just do normal things rather than be stuck in pain.
So normal bladder's around 400 cc's, and when his was measured, it's around 40 cc's.
Wow. It's just crazy that one substance can do that much damage.
Yeah. The longer and the more you use it, the more likely it's to cause irreversible damage.
Doedd cat ddim yn really big thing pan o'n i'n tyfu fyny, ond dyddiau yma dwi'n clywed loads o straeon amdan pobl yn marw fel canlyniad o cymryd y cyffur yma. A mae mond yn cymryd scroll ar TikTok i ffeindio pobl ifanc yn siarad amdan yr ochr tywyll o cat.
So today I'm making a video talking about ketamine bladder and k-bladder, so...
Nes i ddod ar draws Ollie, Cymru sy'n yn recovery, ond sy'n hefyd yn dioddef o side effects Ket.
The excruciating pain, it feels like your stomach's shooting in your stomach.
Oedd Ollie'n gaeth i Ket am 8 mlynedd, a mae'n dweud bod wedi effeithio'n ddifrifol ar ei gorff.
Rwy'n wedi bod yn gwisgo incontinence pads since I was 20.
Yeah.
I get them prescribed off the NHS because of my condition.
Got hyn bob dydd?
Bob dydd, yeah. Mae'n mynd trwy probably 2 paced o hynna each week. Achos y damage y Ket wedi gwneud. Obviously,
i'r bladder?
Yeah, i fy bladder. I'm peeing literally every 60 seconds of the day. Just constantly while we're filming now, it's just like flowing out of me, like, so yeah.
Ti'n cysgu'n okay?
Mae'n difficult really achos fi'n goffod newid y bedyn pob dydd. They're waterproof sheets. Like these are really thin so they wash really well because I wake up literally soaking wet every night.
Achos o effeithiau hir dymor ketamine?
Yeah, it's like the guaranteed effect of it's gonna batter your bladder.
Mae o rwan 'di symud i Loegr i gael cefnogaeth i daclu ddibyniaeth a phroblemau iechyd o ganlyniad i Ket.
Pan nes I ddechrau defnyddio Ket, oeddwn i'n like 1 gram ar y penwythnos. Pan oeddwn i'n like 3 blwyddyn yn, roedd fi'n defnyddio Ket pob dydd. I was using like 21 grams. It just turned into like the most normal thing, like brushing your teeth. I'd sniff a line of cat. It was like that. Dyma faint oeddwn i'n cymryd at like the end of my addiction, like maybe double the amount of that.
Oedd hwn yn just...
Bob dydd.
Mae hwnna'n lot I gymryd.
Yeah.
Sut ti'n teimlo'n edrych yn ôl ar hwn?
I feel sick. Mae dim yn teimlo fel hwnna am fi. Pan oeddwn i'n 18, roi'n realisio bod problem. A roedd hwnna pan y Ket cramps wedi dechrau. Mae Ket cramps yn teimio fel rhywun yn like, grabio fy kidneys.
Oh my God.
Yeah. The only thing I was helping with the pain in the end was the Ket.
Became like a vicious cycle.
Yeah, yeah. Nes I cychwyn pio waed, a wedyn mae hwnna wedi dod yn allan.
So, be yn union oedd hwnna?
So at first I thought it was just blood clots, but then over time it's the lining of the bladder coming out. Hence why my bladder just is knackered now. So dwi'n actually nabod pobl o wedi defnyddio heroin am 30 blwyddyn, and they have a much better quality of living than myself. They're able to do things that I'm unable to do.
Mae effeithiau Ket 'di difetha bywyd Ollie. A'i obaith o heddiw yw bydd y doctor yn rhoi'r OK iddo gael gwared o'i bladder yn gyfan gwbl. So sut ti'n teimlo amdan heddiw?
Rwy'n nervous iawn am heddiw, ond I'm excited at the same time to finally...
Cael
Ti'n
ateb.
gwybod, ti'n cael ateb.